Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody. Let's continue to talk about the euro currency. So guys, yesterday we have said that market hasn't quite reached the target yet and the destination point stands around 138.50 area. And if market will form some stop grabber here or something of that sort, that could give us a more confidence that market still will continue move high. But as you can see, I don't have the MACD predictor on this chart, but this candle hasn't given us the stop grabber. That's here market just has shifted trend to the bearish side. That's all. But right now it doesn't mean that market will not continue move right here. So currently in this area, the chances are still here that this final move could happen by some reasons. First of all, since this is just a minor extension, 618 extension of that ABCD pattern, it happens quite rare when the market leaves behind such minor targets. And as a rule, if even market intends to reverse to the downside and reverse in opposite direction, as a rule market hits the minor targets, minor extensions. Second, also we have this ABCD pattern. So very probable that market will reach this area and turn to the downside, could turn to the downside after that. I do not know definitely, but overall current situation currently doesn't suggest yet that it's over and market right now should move to the downside until at current moment. So if market will start to show some acceleration below these lows, in this case we probably could say yes, that is too extended move down since market hasn't quite reached the target, and that's not typical for the market. It could happen and could be acceptable if market shows the retracement, deep retracement from the target. But when the market shows the deep retracement prior to the hitting of the target, that's not normal. In this case, if market will taken out of these lows and continue move lower, we could say yes, probably the upward action will be postponed or even cancelled in the short-term period. But until this will happen, and at least as market stands right now, the chances still exist to reach this area. And that will be our primary object for today's trading session. What else we could get here? That could happen by 3-drive sell pattern. So we can see that could be the first drive. The second drive stands at 127 of the first. So that swing is 127 extension of that retracement. And if we suggest that market will turn to the upside right from this area, you will see that 127 extension of that swing coincides with the 1618 with this one of the first drive, and both of them stands right at the 618 target. Very good agreement, right? So that's one of the patterns that we should track on the daily time frame charts. Possible 3-drive pattern to the upside, 3-drive sell. What else we could get in the nearest future on the euro currency? So if we take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, here we could get the butterfly buy pattern as the final drive on the daily time frame chart. As you can see, until these lows will hold, this butterfly could work. And why I suspect that this really could happen? Because this price action reminds some sort of the bullish dynamic pressure. Because you can see after this move down, trend has shifted bearish, but market is not continuing move to the downside. Even more, currently we see the high low. So this low, now market is forming that low, and that is a bit greater, higher than this one. And in general, this is very good shape for the possible butterfly. The major condition here is market should stand and has to hold above these lows. So if market will show move lower than these lows, then this butterfly will be erased. But this move even to this 618 support will not cancel yet the possible 3-drive. It will just tell us that this final drive will be not by the butterfly, but maybe some other swing to the upside, maybe some other pattern. But if it would happen by this butterfly pattern, that will be just perfect. So that's in fact all that we could get on the euro currency right now. So keep an eye on this scenario. Besides, take a look that this butterfly gives you opportunity to take the long position with a very tight stop. So if market will move lower, if you trade the butterflies, you could now place very tight stop right below these lows. If you would like, of course, to take the long position with the target around 138.50 area. I can't promise that this will happen because you can see that market now stands in doom and gloom. So the reaction becomes a bit easy when the situation a bit calm down on the Ukraine turmoil, but the geopolitical news and geopolitical events tends to dominate on the markets, and technical could suggest one thing while the political events could change anything and put all the stuff from top to bottom. So that's why although technically we have this pattern and it looks very nice, we have the technical foundation for the possible trading to the upside as on the 4-hour time frame chart, as on the daily time frame chart. But what will happen in reality, as you understand, that's just stands on the curtain. So but in general, that is the patterns that worth of our attention. Currently, the first pattern in the short term, if you would like to trade the harmonic patterns, you could keep an eye on this butterfly. On the daily time frame chart, we will wait for completing of the possible free drive and hitting of this minor target, and we will see what will happen next. Maybe we will try to take the scalp short based on this free drive sell pattern if it will start to work nice, and if the butterfly that is in fact a reversal pattern and it's relatively confirms the appearing of the free drive because they point on the same direction. So as the butterfly is reversal pattern and point on reversal on this point in this area, as the free drive pattern also is reversal pattern, so they add to each other. That's why that's the area where we will think, and maybe we will think about taking the scalp short position with a possible retracement right back down from this resistance area. But until this will happen, that's two moments to watch for: the butterfly here on the 4-hour time frame chart and possible free drive on the daily time frame chart.